Hey there, welcome back to Craft Basics, where art is a passion and craft is your everyday life. Hope you're all doing great and staying safe. In today's video, I will be doing a little project on this. It's kind of old candle, right? But what I did was I went ahead and I spray painted it white, just the base coat, and I will be using some acrylic color and some acrylic glitter to give it a nicer look. All right, so let's get started. So I'm just using a little, and this color acrylic is called Ocean Green. It's a really pretty color. I think I might need a little bit more. What I just did here. Okay. And I have my paintbrush. So I'm just going to apply the color. So I did a base coat of white, just to make sure that I wasn't having a transparent surface to work with. This way the color will show up much nicer than if it was just, still transparent glass that I was looking at. So I'm just doing brush strokes right around the surface. So these are just quick ideas that you can use at home to add a little life to your decor. If you have candles sitting around and you want to give a pop of color, these are ways for you to jazz stuff up a bit. If you have some free time, you're home and you're bored, you can try these little projects, okay? And these are fun projects for kids as well. So if you have kids and you want to keep them active, give them something creative to do, these are nice projects to try. All right. So it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so if you haven't subscribed to my channels yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads, okay? And I'm open to comments, guys. Please share your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the videos that I post. If you like a particular thing and if you want to see more of that kind of design. Alrighty. So this is the first coat of paint. I'm not going to do the bottom because that's not necessary. It will be sitting on there anyways. So let's see if we missed any spots. Alrighty. I think one coat of paint is good because we're going to go over with this beautiful glitter, and I'll show you the details on that one in a sec. All right, so we're going to set this aside to dry, and once that's dried we're going to go in with this. It's a heavy loaded glitter acrylic, all right, and it's from Decor art. All right, let's see if they have a specific number in case you're looking for I think it's DGG10. Okay, but it's a really pretty color, so it will add a nice pop to it once it's dried. So we're gonna set this aside so we can dry it. Usually acrylic doesn't take a very long time to dry, especially with this thin coat. So I'm gonna give it about an hour or two and I'll come back and add this glitter paint to it. All right, so I'll see you in a few. Okay, so we're back and our aqua ocean green acrylic paint is at a place now for us to apply this pretty glitter. Let's see how this will sit. All right, clumps of glitter here and there. Not bad. So you see how nicely it's sitting on this ocean green color. Beautiful. Wow. This is coming out way nicer than I expected it to. So I've had this glitter for a while. I've tried it on other projects, but honestly, I think I have found the formula for this one. It actually looks so much nicer on this candle holder. It does. And the combination, I've never tried this combination before, but it's really working out nicely. I love this. Yeah. So let me try to get some of the glitter to sit more on the bottom of this design. This is so pretty. And the little spots that seemed, you know, like I missed them initially, we can try to use the glitter to cover that up. This is so nice. So if you notice the glitter by itself, I guess you could use it on a transparent background, but this effect that it's given me on, you know, this ocean green background, it's really, really, really nice. Okay, so this is the finished product. I will actually be adding this to the centerpiece on my coffee table because I wanted to have a little pop of color. So that's what inspired this project today. All right, so let me know what you think about the finished product in the comments below. I'm going to leave it to dry for another couple hours and I will see you in my next video. Bye.